just doing a test recording, guys. I apologize for the looks. I know I look terrible, but just giving you a heads up on the quality of the footage that I've got straight off the bat, without playing with any settings on this new mirrorless DSLR, whatever they're called. It's an older one. It's used. I should be able to get 4K pass through. This is only at 1080p, and the quality of the sound is coming through the Yeti microphone I have just here. Also, I've purposely done it in a dimly lit room because, from my understanding, the lens on this doesn't handle dimly lit thingos. I still don't know how to change the ISO or the aperture or whatever it's called. I have to feel around the settings. I might be able to let some more light into the lens to be able to pick up the fact that this is dimly lit. I'm looking at it on one monitor right now, live, with OBS, and it looks clean. It looks you know, it's a bit of a bokeh effect on the background. You're never going to get much with this lens, supposedly, but at the same time, it does seem a lot lighter than the recording of it, because when I record it and play it on the other 4K monitor, it comes out a lot darker, and this is what I'm also testing for myself and for my own sanity. So just a heads up, people. Hopefully some decent streams will be coming your way sooner rather than later. What camera am I asking? Just ask me. What camera am I using? Just ask me in the questions below. I'll happily answer. It set me back about six odd hundred Australian dollars. I'm paying it off in installments. It took bloody by the second installment for it to arrive. So luckily it came in one piece. And it's a hit or miss affair. It's the second camera I've got, and the first camera, it turns out, didn't have a clean HDMI out. This one at least does, but hopefully we can get the 4K pass through to be occurring, because I've already utilized a USB micro micro 2.0B 4K specifically cable without any extensions added to it or anything, and it keeps on bumping down to 1080p for the pass through. So now I've got it on an extension, and it's doing the same thing, but at least I can place it where I want to place it. But that cable, if it was limiting it, it wouldn't be limiting it. So I'll have to work out 4K for purposes of really good footage being picked up, even if it's downscaled when I render it, that's fine, or when I upload it to YouTube. But what I want is really clean, crisp imagery, which is representative of what you see is what you get, without any artifacts. And finally, at least, guys, we have no freaking artifacts. Peace out, yo, Seb Luca. And cut a long story short, it is the Panasonic Lumix G.